In front of me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To end it and save it, click on the left one. Now name your recording and hit save. To play it, click on it. And to access any other option, you need to hold it. In order to access your recordings from here, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!